In this video, I'm going to help you to fix no music results found in Instagram stories. But first, if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. So let's get started. Let's go to Instagram. Then let's try to public any story. As example, I take this picture. Then go from this sticker and click on music. So when you search for music right here for I don't know what you want to put, but you don't found it here. So basically Instagram library does not have the copyright, or the owner for that music does not allow Instagram to show your musics. That's why. And also you can have a problem in your account. So let's fix that problem when you use wait when you use a professional account or a business account. You have limit access to the music at library. So go to settings, then go to account, then scroll down to switch professional account. You need to make sure that you have a normal account, so you don't have limits to the music library. Right now my account is normal, so no problem. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel and leave a like and comment. See you soon.